Outstanding.
Welcome again to another beautiful tutorial. It's a boy Eldorado. Now, me just make this beat and me say, I don't think me upload a beat like this. However, I one of them get your girl pregnant type of something there, type of beat there, So, without further ado, and the bag of chatting, we could get in it. First and foremost, I have some piano here. I think there's a soft pop piano from Omnis here, and this is the main chord progression, G minor, and this is what the first progression sound like. Yeah, it's late, so kind of playing it soft and mellow with a little bit of melody. The second chord progression is this, but the same chord progression, same sound, but I took off the melody section of the progression, and this is what the bass chord progression sound like. The next sound on this list is a sound from Electra, Tone 2 Electra. I select arpeggiated sound called mini chords, and I think I turned off all three synth because it's four engine. I turned off three of them, and what I also added to this sound is gross beat, and I select a preset somewhere. I'm going to go into flanging, and you see static flange here. So this is what it sounds like without the effect on it. And this is what it sounds like with the effect on it. Not much difference, but it makes a lot of sense. Cargway station called per Kimber or something like this, and this is the chord progression for it that I have here. The next sound on this list is a vocal sound, vocal chop sound, and I added to it frozen reverb from Noise Ash and Echo Cat delay plugin from Waste Factory with Aristocrats preset, and this is what it sounds like without it, and this is what it sounds like with it. Next sound on this list is Kalimba. It's a sound from Contact Factory Library, and this is the chord progression that I played. Sound is steel drums from the same Contact Factory Library, and this is what it sounds like. Next sound on this list is the bass from Trillion. Pretty much select it and leave it as is, and this is what the bass progression sound like. And this is the main drum pattern. This is what the actual rhythm sounds like in context. nice and wonderful beat, and I hope you're enjoying this, beat making tutorial, because I did, and I think it's a wonderful beat, and I hope you can really learn something from this. So please do like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and select all notifications so you can get the post notification as soon as the videos are dropped. So without further ado, it's a boy Eldorado. Until next time in a beat making video, peace out.